Shukor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
%4 interest subvention scheme under Kisan credit card provided by the government of Meghalaya. What is the key objective of the scheme? The key objective of the 4% interest subvention scheme under KCC is that the state government feels that some incentivization is required for the farmers that have good credit track record in the formal banking system by supporting and extending subvention for those standard, regular KCC beneficiaries farmers who are prompt in their loan repayment in sync with RBI guidelines. What is the type of assistance? Extending 4% interest subvention to standard, regular KCC borrowers on crop loans. Who can apply for the scheme? Standard or regular KCC borrowers on crop loans identified by the banks. How to avail benefit of the scheme? The Prompt Repayment Incentive (PRI) at 4% subvention scheme by state government will be applied only for prompt repayment KCC borrowers who have benefited the 3% interest subvention from the Government of India as endorsed by the banks. Whom to contact? State Bank of India, Meghalaya Rural Bank, Meghalaya Cooperative Apex Bank Limited, Bank of Baroda, etc. ITEAMS Integrated Technology Enabled Agriculture Management System, toll-free phone number 1917.